Welcome to the last episode in my so far visits to 5 beautiful locations in and around Ranchi. And this location is one of my most preferred destinations. You have to descend or go down hundreds of stairs. Some say 700 and some say 500. Actually, what I felt, the steps are just numbers. As the super admiring ambience and the surroundings will definitely take you to joyful environments. I have seen many heavyweight people were at ease while going down and coming up. Jonah Falls. It is situated at an edge of the Ranchi Plateau. The Jonah Falls is an example of Hanging Valley Falls. The Ganga River hangs over its main stream called Ralu River and eventually forms the falls. Water in the falls dropped from a height of 43 meter, that is about 141 feet. The Jonah Falls is an example of a neck point caused by transformation. It is about 40 to 45 kilometers from Ranchi. And is approachable by both road and train. For travel by road, you should book a cab following the Ranchi-Purulia road. After traveling for about 35 kilometers, you have to travel off the main road. Jonah Falls is named after the local village. It is also known as the Gautam Dhara, as there is a temple dedicated to Lord Buddha nearby. The rocks here seem to direct you down its natural slope to join the foamy, bubbling water of the river. The fall appears relatively more somber, attractive and appealing. Jonah Falls are surrounded in a canopy of plush green trees and thick bushes. This is one of the safest waterfalls of Ranchi, as it does not have a deep plunge pool beneath the waterfall. One can have bath just beneath the falling water, as the bottom is filled with sand and soil. You may carry food, snacks and stuffs for bathing under the falls if you wish to. Best time to visit this place is before lunch. The Jharkhand Tourism Development Corporation has constructed some tourist rest sheds and a new marble stairway leading to the bottom. There is a car parking available in the vicinity and there are plenty of places near the waterfall perfect for a weekend picnic with friends and family. After visiting Jona Falls, you must visit the Sita Falls, which is just a few kilometers away.